Today, we're going to take a look at the real project cars out there. Imperfect, unrestored, and definitely eye-catching. These are the kinds of classic cars that require time, tools, and patience, not showrooms. Every car on this list comes straight from a real for-sale listing, and every car still has a second chance. Number 1. 1968 Ford LTD, $4,500, Webster, New York. This 68 Ford LTD is one of those full-size cruisers you don't see every day anymore. According to the listing, it runs and drives, and the frame is said to be solid, which is always a big plus on a car this size. The seller mentions unfinished details like the headliner and door panels needing to go back in, so it's clearly still a work in progress. Under the hood is a 390 big block paired with a C6 automatic, giving this LTD that classic late 60s muscle sedan vibe. Not perfect, not restored, but it sounds like a car you could keep improving while still enjoying on the road. Number 2. 1979 Chevrolet Corvette C3, $5,000, Toms River, New Jersey. This C3 Corvette sits right in that sweet spot between driver and project. The seller says the engine and transmission are good, but the interior needs work, and it's been sitting in the garage for a while. That usually means expect a tune-up, fresh fluids, and the usual wake it back up routine. Finished in white with a blue interior, it has that classic late 70s Corvette look. At this price point, it feels like a hands-on project rather than a turnkey car. Number 3. 1967 Ford Mustang GT Coupe, $3,500, Tipton, Indiana. This 67 Mustang GT is more on the serious project side. It's a factory 289 car with an automatic, and the seller says it will start and run on starting fluid. Floor pans are mostly solid but have some rust holes, and the frame rails will need attention. Brakes need work, and it hasn't been plated since 2005. There's no title at the moment, only a bill of sale, which is something buyers would need to factor in. Definitely not a quick flip, but for someone wanting a true rebuild candidate, this one checks a lot of classic Mustang boxes. Number 4. 1963 Chevrolet Impala, $4,500, Louisa, Virginia. This 63 Impala is described as a running car that just needs some minor tweaks and adjustments. From the seller's tone, it sounds like more of a driver project rather than a full teardown. These early 60s Impalas are known for their clean lines and cruising comfort, and this one seems aimed at someone who wants to dial things in and enjoy it rather than start from scratch. Still, it's being sold as is, so expect some sorting before it's truly road trip ready. Number 5. 1979 Pontiac Firebird Esprit, $3,500, State Road, North Carolina. Next up is this 79 Firebird Esprit, and this one is still drivable. The body is described as solid and rust-free, with no dents or scratches, which is important for a second-generation F-body. There are no official papers, but the seller has the original factory paperwork and proof of purchase. The interior is included, but it currently won't start. This feels like a project started from scratch. A good framework, but you'll need a plan before you can put this car on the road. Six. 1974 Chevrolet Corvette, $4,000, Medford, New York. This 74 Corvette feels like one of those honest driver projects. It's a small block 350 with an automatic and T-tops, and the seller says it runs and drives with just minor TLC needed. Newer brakes and a new fuel tank are already done, which knocks out some of the annoying stuff. It does need new battery cables, and cosmetically it's clearly not a show car. But if you're handy with bodywork, this could be a solid starting point for a C3 you can actually enjoy while improving over time. 7. 1962 Oldsmobile 88 Royale, $3,500, Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. This 62 Olds 88 has that classic big-body cruiser presence. It runs and drives, has a clean title, and comes with the big 394 under the hood. The car has been lowered and recently sanded and clear-coated for a patina look, so it's definitely leaning into the Survivor style. The catch is the brakes, specifically the drums, which means it won't be driving home. Still, for the money, it sounds like a solid base for a custom cruiser or weekend project. Eight. 1966 Ford Mustang, $4,250, Chimney Rock, North Carolina. This 66 Mustang is more than just a stock project. It already has a Mustang II style front end, subframe connectors, mini tubs, and weld wheels, plus a pile of extra parts. That tells you someone was building it with performance in mind. It's not finished, and the seller admits there are too many other projects competing for time. With a clean title and a lot of the hard work already done, this one feels like a build that just needs the right owner to push it across the finish line. Nine. 1977 Ford Granada, $4,750, Columbia, Kentucky. The Granada might not be the first thing people think of as a classic, but this one is interesting. It's a one-owner car with just 64,000 miles and a straight six with an automatic. Picked up from an estate, it's described as needing a little work, but being in surprisingly nice shape for its age. This is more of a sleeper survivor than a hardcore project, something you could clean up, sort out, and enjoy as an uncommon late 70s cruiser. Ten. 1978 Oldsmobile 88 Royale, $3,000, Fogelsville, Pennsylvania. Wrapping things up is the 78 Oldsmobile 88 Royale. It's powered by a 350 Olds with a 4-barrel Rochester carb and has had some recent work like a new fuel pump, carb rebuild, and battery. It still leaks a bit of transmission fluid and has some dirty gas in the lines, but it runs and drives. The underside has surface rust, but nothing described as rotted through. With a clean title and extra parts included, this one feels like a budget-friendly, full-size cruiser project. So, which one would you save if it was parked in your driveway right now? Some of these could be drivers, some need real work, but all of them are honest projects with potential. If you enjoy realistic project cars and unfinished classics, you're in the right place. I'll see you in the next one.